Oh man, I'm gonna follow Don to his spot. All right, Don, can we follow you to your spot? We got Donald stuff on. We're ready for you. Can we follow you to your spot and get your first photo? Yeah, awesome. Thank you, Don. You're the best. And I got something else. I got a t-shirt of you too. I got everything for you, Don. You're my favorite character. How can you not be everyone's favorite character? Also, look at this outfit. You got these little like letters, right? Messenger. Love this teal that you got going too. Very unique for you. Love it. All right, so right here at the bench.
Looking good, bro.
Okay, guys, we're gonna get a picture. Can we get really just a quick like little spin? Oh yeah, look at Dawn, everyone. You look so good. Let me get our cast member friend. You've been on the good list this year, right? Very good list. Let me just get a cast member, and I can take a picture of you. I know. Excuse me? Can I get a picture? Thank you. I won't hold the line too much. Oh. Uh-oh. That's super important, Dawn. How are you gonna deliver those letters? So cute. All right, let's get a picture. See ya. Merry Christmas, we love the outfit. Thank you so much for seeing us this morning. Bye. Thank you so much as well. And there goes Donald, everyone.